how to make landing page website on Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna step by step show you how to create a website on squarespace.com. So it may sound complicated, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in a few minutes I will show you how to do it. First of all, you need to create an account or log into your account on squarespace.com. As you can see, I already did it. I'm in my account. So next you just need to click this button, get started. And now you need to choose what type of website do you want to create, what's your site about. So we need the landing page. So I'm just typing landing page and click next. What do you want to do with your website? So what's the main purpose of your website? You can make a website about selling products or build community, promote an event or project, sell services. So here just choose whatever you want, whatever you need. I'm gonna skip this step. And how would you like to start building your website? You can build your website with the help of AI technology, or you can choose from a curated set of professionally designed website templates. Honestly, I'm not a big fan of AI, so I'm gonna choose this one, browse templates. And here, this page, you just need to choose the template that you think is the best for you and for your business. Here you can choose the type of your website or the topic of your website. For example, you make a landing page for your online store. So for this purpose, I'm gonna choose online store. You can choose another one. And I'm gonna choose this one. You need to choose the template that you think is the best for you. And here I can change sample color presets. For example, this website is kinda boring because it's like white. You can make it more interesting. And later I'm gonna show you how to choose colors more accurate. But now I'm gonna start with this design. And while it's loading, I'm gonna tell you about Squarespace.com. Squarespace.com is the best option to create a website because you don't need to know any of programming languages. You just need to use a website to create your own website. And now we need to create a site name. I'm gonna name it like just landing page, just for an example. Don't really need this website, just making a video for you. Landing page, continue. Here you can see some tips, we don't need them. And now we are ready to edit this template, but first of all we need to check this one, pages. Here we can delete some pages, we can add new one, we can manage them. For example, now you can see main navigation. Here we have shop, about and contact, and we can, for example, link home page to main navigation. And now you can see home page here. Also you can delete, for example, about page like this. You can add new page. Next one, styles. This is how you can change colors like this. You can choose any color you want. You can do it red, pink, green, whatever, very easily. We need to reload the page. And now also in the left you have such functions. You can manage for example products, services, invoicing, content, donation, scheduling. So here you have some settings, but now we are gonna move straight to editing. Click this button, edit, and you can edit almost everything here. For example, you can edit the section. You can add a background image, for example, I don't know, this one. You can add an image by uploading a file from your computer or use free images by squarespace.com. Also you can move everything, change the size, change the placement. So also you can change the size of sections. Section is like a page in a page. So this is a header section. This is like a intro section, whatever, welcome section. This is like a portfolio section, I don't know. And in the end you have a footer section. You can add a new section clicking this button. You can add any section you want: contact, about, people, products, services, portfolios, whatever. You can add a blank section. You can edit this section, whatever you want: colors, background, design. You can add a block. Block is like a content. It's like text, button, image, video, audio, whatever you want. You can edit. Just for example text. And for example click edit and you can type here whatever you want. For example, welcome. You can do it bigger. Like this. Also you can add an image the same way as I already showed you. Of course you can delete the whole section, for example this one. Just click remove. In general the site has a lot of functions. You can do whatever you want. You can edit whatever you want. You can change this content pay block. I don't know what is it. Just click to whatever you want to edit. Click on this element, click edit, and you can edit it very easy. And you need to save changes as frequently as possible just to not lose your progress. Also you can toggle to mobile view just to check it out. Is everything fine in the mobile view? You can edit mobile view version the same way. So when you're done editing your website, you need to publish it, obviously. So to publish it, so anyone can see it, you just need to upgrade your account. To upgrade your account, you need to subscribe. You need to select a plan. Here you can see simple plans, simple prices, only pay for what you really need. All plans come with award-winning 24/7 customer support. If you are selling something on your website, I really recommend you to choose a basic or advanced ones. But most popular one is a business one, only $23 per month. Also here you can see advantages of any plans, what you are getting. So in general the site has a lot of functions, as I already said. And when you are done editing your website, when you're subscribed, instead of this button subscribe, you will be able to click on publish button here, Also blue button publish. Just click on this button and you will be able to publish your website so anyone can see it. The entire interface of the site, as you can see, is very clear to any user. So I really recommend you to try this website, to create your website on this website, so many websites. So I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel, leave a like, and thank you once again. See you soon.